A ventilation perfusion scan, VQ scan, that is what we call it, to rule out pulmonary thromboembolism. We can do it, and it takes us hardly 3 to 5 minutes to actually tell the doctor concerned whether we are dealing with pulmonary thromboembolism or no. I'll quickly jump to the last topic, stress thallium of the heart. To know the hemodynamic significance of coronary artery disease as such. This is a normal stress thallium wherein the normal perfusion throughout the myocardium in all views, in short axis views, vertical long axis views and horizontal long axis views, there is a normal perfusion throughout the myocardium. In cases of we do a stress thallium, like for example in this particular case, please appreciate the septum. During stress the perfusion is less, but during rest the perfusion has improved, which means it's a hemodynamically significant left a coronary artery disease, or either a left main disease or a left coronary artery disease. Viable myocardium, the last topic. There are 5 types of viable myocardium. Normal myocardium is viable myocardium. Reversibly ischemic myocardium is viable myocardium. Stunned myocardium is viable myocardium. Hibernating myocardium is viable myocardium. Peri-infarct ischemic myocardium is viable myocardium. So when we talk about viable myocardium, it's a very vague term. We have to actually specify what viability we are talking about. On a stress thallium, we give you we quantify all this and tell you whether it is stunned myocardium, hibernating myocardium, to help the surgeon to actually revascularize, take a decision whether revascularization is important or not. Thank you very much. Because of paucity of time, I could not complete it. If there are any questions, I'll be glad to answer.
Thank you, Dr. Deshpande. We thought that this is an important topic, and you have the pamphlets with you. A lot of it will come in our regular eMedi News. I'm starting a column on how to interpret and how to understand about nuclear medicine, and Dr. Deshpande is going to help in that, so that every day when you get your eMedi News, you will get something about nuclear medicine on a daily basis. I'll now request Dr. A.K. Jhingan to please come here and present a memento to Dr. Avdesh Pandey. A memento will be incomplete without, if only Dr. Jhingan gives. I'll request Dr. Shikha Sharma also to join. तो सुंदर लड़कियां साथ में देंगी तो अच्छा लगेगा.